Yes, it's our new single called Seasons of Women, and we about to do our recording. We're just gonna read and go over some things and just let y'all know how it is. So
yeah, just don't be too harsh on us, Facebook and MySpace and YouTube.
Yeah,
yes, we got you.
We just throwing out some ideas. I'm not a real rapper, but you know I'm just gonna read and do the best I can.
But I'm a real singer.
Alright, that's cool. Alright, that's cool. Alright, so
yeah, let us know how you like it.
Just take one. Just take one.
Take one of 1,000.
Yeah, just take one. Take one. Alright.
There we go. You are like the summertime in my heart. You warm me up and make me hot. You are like the fall that's in the woods. You change my colors just like the leaves. You are like the wintertime in my dreams. You walk past me and make me scream. You are even springtime in the spring. You give me sweet, sweet, sweet dreams.
In the beginning to find love in the season, and that we have to share. Beautiful women all do not compare. Away the same out of season. There are many of reasons to love women. Season summer, she's hot and sexy as hell. Make you want to dip in her pool to relax and so cool. And summer has nice legs, thighs, toes, and a body to show in the summertime. A season autumn, she's different from the reason. Season summer, season. Autumn has her way.
You are like the summertime in my heart. Warm me up and make me hot. You are like the fall that's in the woods. Your eyes change colors just like the leaves. You are like the wintertime in my dreams. You walk past me and make me scream. You are even springtime in the spring. You give me sweet, sweet, sweet dreams.
A shy she seems, but do let her creep by. You supply your needs before season winter takes the meal. And when she does that, the better the household is. As autumn passes by, season winter is on the rise. She's spoiled in need of attention. Don't leave her, cause culling all she likes to do. Outside is cold and chilly. Not of your knife, you better think twice. But she is coming to town and making babies for her. And every time winter comes around, the season winter's gone, but season spring is here with joy and blossom attitude. Now she's easy to satisfy, cause all types of flowers are blossoming, and all types of places you can go for a picnic.
You are like the summertime in my heart. You warm me up and make me hot. You are like the fall that's in the woods. Your eyes change color just like the leaves. You are like the wintertime in my dreams. You walk past me and make me scream. You are even springtime in the spring. You give me sweet, sweet dreams. Yeah. Beautiful you are, baby, as sweet as your smell. You are like a dozen roses, yeah. All the seasons, I said all the seasons.
Season spring, love is pretty.
Take 200.
We're gonna take that over. But I'm gonna keep going. Season spring is lovely and pretty. Her eyes are every color, including your favorite. Just spending quality time with her is all she needs. For seasons and reasons that summer, autumn, winter, and spring are different women. Spring's the best and leaves you under no stress during her time when she comes around.
When she comes around. Seasons of women, all types. Light skin, dark skin, skinny, fat. No, not the fat one.
Maybe we can't discriminate or whatever. So we just gonna say all women.
All of them.
Seasonal women, because they got their own emotions. Their own emotions.
Own emotions.
You know what I mean?
No, we did. Yeah, but Twitter us. I said us that time. Twitter.
You know, that was on the Alicia Keys beat too. So I mean, that was
we gotta give
it's a
our
nice
props
concept. Yeah, it's a nice concept. We just trying to throw something together, but like I said, he said he's a real singer. I said I'm a real. I mean, I'm not a real
rapper.
Yeah, I'm not a rapper. So you know, I just like to write, you know, poems and everything, and try to turn them into raps or melody songs or whatever. So.
Right. But thanks to Alicia Keys for letting us illegally use her on YouTube try sleeping with a broken heart. So y'all make sure y'all cop that album. It's in stores now.
Yeah, we trying to throw it out there for.
Yeah, we'll show you. We got your CD, Alicia, but you know we in the studio right now. We didn't bring none of our stuff with us.
Yeah, you fine too.
Yeah. Call us too, Alicia.
901, baby.
504. Yeah, I think we messed up right there.